So these were the four hamstring muscles: the semitendinosus, the semimembranosus, the two heads of the biceps. This is the long head, this is the short head, and this is the adductor magnus, hamstring part of the adductor magnus. So now we will do with the sciatic nerve. So this is the sciatic nerve. So the sciatic nerve, it is the thickest nerve and the largest nerve of the lower limb. So this is the sciatic nerve. So sciatic nerve, as I have already told you, it is the thickest nerve of the body. So in the upper part, in the gluteal region, you have seen it is more broad. It forms a 2 centimeter broad band. Then it descends downwards in the pelvis, then in the back of thigh, till the superior angle of the popliteal fossa. So this is the popliteal fossa, a diamond shaped depression on the back of the knee joint. So at the superior angle of the popliteal fossa, this thick sciatic nerve will divide into its two terminal divisions, that is the tibial nerve, which descends downwards vertically and will supply the back of the leg, and the common peroneal nerve, which is going from superior angle to the lateral angle of the popliteal fossa towards the fibula, and it will supply the anterolateral compartment of the leg. So how the sciatic nerve is formed? It is the largest branch of the sacral plexus. It is the largest branch of the sacral plexus. It is formed by L4, L5, S1, S2 and S3. So it is having two components, the tibial component and the common peroneal component. So the tibial component is formed by ventral divisions of the anterior primary rami and common peroneal by the dorsal division of the L4, L5, S1, S2, S3. So this was about the tibial nerve. Then coming to the about the sciatic nerve. Then coming to the branches. So I have already told you some muscles are supplied by tibial part of the sciatic nerve and some are supplied by the common peroneal. तो कॉमन पेरोनियल से कौन कौन से थे? एक तो था शॉर्ट हेड ऑफ बाइसेप्स फेमोरिस, दिस वाज सप्लाइड बाय द कॉमन पेरोनियल, और एक था एडक्टर पार्ट ऑफ द एडक्टर मैग्नस विच इज सप्लाइड बाय द पोस्टीरियर डिवीजन ऑफ द ऑब्चुरेटर नर्व. बाकी जितने भी मसल्स हैं, दैट इज द सेमी टेंडिनोसिस, सेमी मेम्ब्रेनोसिस, लॉन्ग हेड and hamstring part of the adductor magnus, they all will be supplied by the divisions or branches from the tibial part of the sciatic nerve. So this was all about the hamstrings, the muscles and the muscles of the back of the thigh and the sciatic nerve. Thank you.